Hi everyone, let's we start to talk about the activity integrative number two, comparative between Spain and Puebla Center. Hi, my name is Beatriz José Roberto. Let me introduce to my activity integrative number two. Let's we start with Spain, Madrid. Madrid, a dream city full of living streets, majestic buildings, and impressive historical journey and beautiful landmarks like the Royal Palace and the Prado Museum. You will be amazed by the legendary nightlife, student places to eat, and culture rich in history and special moments, obviously. When I was there, I truly fell in love with its living streets. It's a delicious food, too light, slightly salty, and the comforting sense to feel safety that surrounds you. It was my most beautiful and above all a special experience because of what it means to me. Puebla. Puebla, my new home state, a place where I lived for 2 years. I love the city center or the other cities like Cholula, Tlixco, Quetzalan, and truly enjoy living here. The city is always full of people doing something. The architecture is rich baroque, full of details and history. The food and snacks are incredibly diverse and all of them are delicious. Conclusion. Puebla and Spain are cities between very similar architecture but sharing baroque touches. They offer an impressive and diverse cuisine to. To be honest, I prefer the Mexican food. When I when it comes to two things to do in each city, you could say neither has anything to envy from other. Puebla has too much to offer and Madrid is always guaranteed. I love both cities and I will recommend them for to travel. Each has its own cuisine, culture, and new experience waiting to be explored. Thanks for watching. See you.